guys, welcome back to another tutorial of WP Grade. The tutorial is sponsored by Variation Swatches for WooCommerce plugin by Imran Ahmed. At the time of my recording, it had more than 200,000 active installations and plenty of 5 stars rating. The plugin converts WooCommerce variation select drop-down into color, image, button and radio swatches in the product page and shop page. Find the plugin download link in the description box. To download more WooCommerce plugin, please visit storepress.com. Today I am going to show you how to translate 2020 WordPress theme with Loco Translate plugin. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. To translate your 2020 theme, you have to install Loco Translate plugin. From left sidebar settings, navigate to add new from plugins. Now search for Loco Translate and install it. Loco Translate is one of the most popular and essential plugins for translation. After completing the installation, activate it by clicking on the activate button. You will notice a Loco Translate menu is already added in your WordPress dashboard. From Loco Translate, navigate to Themes and select 2020 theme. 2020 theme comes with only one default language, that is French. If French is your desired language, then click on French language. In the source text, you can see so many strings are available here. For French language, translations of the available strings are already added by default. That's why it's 100% translated. Now, if you want to see the changes in your website, then you need to follow a step which I'll show later on. But what will you do if French is not your desired language? In this case, you can add that specific language. For that, click on New Language. Here you can see a message that is template missing. So we need to create a template first. For that, click on Create Template. Again on Create Template. As our template file is created, so now we can add our language. For that, again click on New Language. For demonstration purposes, I am going to choose Bengali language for translation. Now you have to choose a location where you want to store the language file. Here a location path is already selected by default, so I am not going to change this one. Now click on Start Translating. Now from the source text, I am going to add some strings for translation. First, I will add search string. Let's add the Bengali translation of search string from Google Translate. In the same process, I am going to add the translations of some more strings. You can see the translation of the added string is listed in the right side. Once you finish adding the translations of the strings, save it by clicking on the Save button. To see the changes in your WordPress site, you have to set the language that you previously used for translation. So I am going to choose Bengali language. To do so, navigate to General from Settings. From the Site Language section, select Bangla and click on Save Changes. So previously in my website, this text were in English. So after translation, it should be changed into Bengali. So let's refresh the site. So you can see translated strings are successfully changed into Bengali. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. If you have any query, please write down in the comment section. Thank you.